Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a room tour of a Bayview suite at the Pan Pacific Vancouver. I stayed here for a few nights in 2022 and trust me, it was amazing. The Pan Pacific is nestled within Canada Place, right where the cruise ships dock. So you step off your cruise, go through customs, and take a short trip upstairs and boom, you're at your hotel. Plus it's smack dab in the heart of downtown Vancouver, which gives you access to everything this vibrant city has to offer. And if you're planning to explore, the hop-on hop-off buses have a stop right in front of the hotel. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments if you've stayed here. What was your experience like? And also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Alright, let's start the tour. Right from the entrance, if you turn left, you'll find the guest bathroom. We have a sleek single basin sink and a separate water closet. This is perfect for when you have guests over. Hello there. Now here's the main area. You can see the dining room table for 4 and a desk. Also a comfy sofa there. We'll take a sneak peek into the bedroom here. And now you can see that there are also 2 chairs and a large TV. But who's watching the TV when you have views like this? The bay is just stunning. I spent hours watching the seaplanes glide in and out. You can also see the cruise ships docked here. And here's the Queen Elizabeth, from which I had just disembarked after a 5-day trip up from Los Angeles. And now onward to the bedroom. First we have a chic vanity area and then a small walk-in closet with drawers. Plenty of space to store all of your outfits. And here's the minibar setup with fridge. There's another large TV and the very comfortable bed with an amazing selection of pillows. Now let's check out the bathroom. It's huge. There's a soaking tub for those relaxing evenings, a separate shower, a double basin sink with a very large mirror, and here's the water closet. It's basically a mini spa in here. And now back to these incredible views. Here's a time lapse I took of the Holland American New Amsterdam leaving port. You can see the seaplanes coming in and taking off around it. I had an unforgettable stay in Vancouver and I can't wait to go back. Thanks for watching.